Hello students, this video lecture is for class 6th, subject computer, lesson 1 and part 3rd. In the last video we have talked about hardware, and in this video we are going to start software. So let's read what a software is. A set of instructions used to operate computer is called software. So software is a set of instruction which is used to operate a computer system. It is a program which controls the computer and tells the computer to perform a specific task. It is a part of computer which gives intelligence to the hardware to perform a task. Therefore, programs are generally called as software. Software can be classified into three types: system software, application software, and utility software. So, as we know, computer hardware is a non-living thing. So, it doesn't have ability to think of its own and take its own decisions. So, humans write set of instruction to give it to the hardware, and the hardware works accordingly. So these instructions are called software, and there are three types of software: system software, application, and utility. So let's read about them. First, system software. It controls the operation of the computer and helps in functioning of the computers. Operating system is a part of system software which helps the computer to start and run any application. Some examples of system software are DOS, Unix, Windows, and Linux. We can say that the software which runs as the computer starts or the system is just turned on. The first software which runs is your system software, or we can call it as a operating system. It helps in running of any other application or application software or utility software. So it is the base of your computer system, and few of the system softwares are your operating system such as DOS, Unix, Windows, and Linux. Now let's see application software. It is designed to perform a specific task and can be used by many users. It is designed accordingly to the need of a organization, individual, or office. Some examples of application software are MS Word, MS Excel, and PowerPoint. So application software are designed to perform some specific task. For example, a calculator, notepad, and here are the examples given of MS Office applications such as Word, MS Excel, and PowerPoint. Now next is utility software. It is specifically designed to manage the computer hardware, operating system, and application software. Some examples of utility software are virus scanner, disk defragmenter, spam remover, and backup utility. So as it is written, these softwares are designed to manage computer hardware, operating system, and application software, such as a virus scanner, such as Avast antivirus, disk defragmenter, or spam remover, backup utility, etc. Now next are input devices, output devices. and this I will be covering in the next video. So thank you.